Malaking sinagot na itong si Coach Cheng sa isang panayam matapos tong masakit na pagkatalo na nakuha ng kanyang koponan ng karaang Lunes. Yan ay matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal Facebook page. Last Monday nga mga bularo, paniguradong maraming tagahanga ng Ross ang nadismaya matapos matanggal sa playoff bracket ang nasabing koponan, sa kabila pa nga ito ng twice to beat advantage na meron sila kontra Meralco. Kaya naman after the game, di na iwasang mahinga ng opinyon netong si Norwood, especially na alam naman nating lahat na ito na ang kanyang huling komperensya sa PBA.
For sure. I mean, our conference is over first and foremost, right? We worked really hard this conference to get the second seed. Not a lot of easy games. We played, crazy comebacks from the first game against Meralco, right? I get a tip in to force overtime, and then we've had a couple of close games like that, so we're kind of expecting the same. Just keep ourselves in the game, and Meralco just wore us down. They finished the game strong, and we weren't able to keep up. So emotions are down because of that, I think, more than anything, right? Even for myself. So they'll be okay. They'll bounce back, and Rainier Town will be fine in the future.
Pero maliban kay Gabe, natanong din etong si Coach Cheng matapos ang pagkatalo. Kung saan dito, tinanong si Yao kung sa palagay nga raw ba niya, nawawala sa focus ang kanyang mga bata dahil sa pagbablog.
Sa akin, nakikita ko sila na no? I will feel that kung nakikita ko na siguro nawawalan sila ng time or energy for practice, but hindi naman Ibig sabihin, what people see dun sa mga vlog nila is their natural personality and character. Yung time na ginagamit nila doon does not affect yung work nila, trabaho nila na ginagawa for the team.
Dagdag pa nga niya na kung sakaling makaka-apekto raw ito sa kanyang mga players, siya raw ang unang makakapansin neto.
Siguro I will be the first to notice, or I will be the first to remind them if parang sandali, parang nawala kayo sa focus, baka iba na yung focus nyo.